Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can set fingerprint lock or biometric lock in a Play Store, or how to lock your Play Store app or any app that you want to lock on Android device or Android phone that you have right now. So the first thing to do, you have to jump to the settings on your phone, and here you can try to search the app lock on the settings search. Just type app lock, and here we go, you can tap it, password and biometric. So before you access app lock, you have to enter your privacy password. And also you can find the app lock on a password if you don't have a search settings on your phone or search filter on your phone settings. You can try to find manually under password and biometrics settings or option. Type it, and here we go. There is a password like lock screen password, privacy password, a fingerprint, or face. You might be looking for app lock, just tap it. Now enter your privacy password. Here we go. This is your application list that you want to lock. For example, in this topic, let's try to search Google Play Store, and here you can try to switch this on. Now in order to access Google Play Store, you need a password. So for example, you can tap three dots at the top right corner of your screen, tap settings. So here, in order to set your fingerprint, you have to enable this, use fingerprint to unlock apps. Try to enable this. And of course, if you want to choose password, you have to change privacy password settings instead of fingerprint. And in order to turn off, you just tap turn off app lock or switch off the Google Play that we turned on before. See, lock at apps on the top, just turn off this, just switch this off. Now let's close this setting. Let's open Play Store, tap it. Now here we go, use fingerprint to open Play Store or just enter password. Let's use fingerprint, and now Google Play Store is opened by biometrics. Feel free to try to lock some apps, especially Google Play Store, on your Android device. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.